Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Now launch the OneDrive desktop app and accept file access prompts so the client can manage folders. Once the app runs, open Settings and go to Account, then click Choose Folders to pick which desktop folders to sync. Make sure local files are in the folders you select. If they're not, move them now. This initial selection tells OneDrive which folders to mirror between cloud and your PC, so choose only what you need to save space. Once you've selected folders, refine the process by enabling files on demand if you want placeholders instead of full local copies. This preserves disk space while keeping cloud access instant. Next, expand folder trees and check or uncheck subfolders to control what syncs. This is essential when bandwidth or space is limited. Keep an eye on the sync icons in File Explorer. Spinning means syncing, green check means up to date. If transfers stall, pause and resume. Finish by opening the OneDrive Activity Center and confirming each folder reports up to date. Give large sets time to complete. If something freezes, pause syncing for a minute, then resume, or sign out and restart the app to rebuild the connection. When file conflicts appear, open both versions, pick the correct one, and remove duplicates to prevent repeated errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If sync still fails, check storage quota and file path length limits. Clearing space or shortening paths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.